What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, like always, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Mello'Z Nailz on Facebook and Instagram, Mello'Z_Nailz, both with a Z. In today's video, I just have a small haul for you guys from Yayoge, I guess is how you say that. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but yeah, it's just a small haul. I picked up a few things and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So that's what we're doing today. So the first thing you see here, I got some of these dried flowers, and everything on their site was really inexpensive, which was pretty good, and the shipping was fast. Surprisingly, it was coming from China, but it was still pretty fast, which I like fast shipping, so that's always a plus for me. But yeah, I got these dried flowers, and these are bigger than the ones that I already have. That's why I got those. And then I got me another gel brush you use for gel polish or gel well, those gel polish pots anyway. Yeah, then I got me some builder gel, and I got builder gel because I wanted to try to use it with my polygel, because it seems like when I do it on myself, right around where the natural nail meets the polygel, it seems like it's always thin right there. I don't know, I'm sure I probably just need to build it up some more, but I figured maybe, as someone suggested to me, to try builder gel. But anyway, this here is some blooming gel, and the film cut out before I could actually show you guys. But this is sculptured gel now. It's like a kind of like, I guess, like a gummy gel. They had these 6 colors, and I got one of each. And these, like I said, it's sculptured gel. I think it's mainly for like doing 3D work, and it's gummy, so like you can, I think from the instructions it says you're supposed to like take it out with your hand, or take some out and then roll it into a ball before you start working with it. I was just intrigued by this, so I said let me get it, and I couldn't pick which color I wanted, so that's why I got all of them. Like I said, they were real inexpensive. I think they were maybe just over $2.50 each pot, so I got one of each. I'm really excited to work with those too, so I'm looking forward to it. So I got those 6, and then I got some more builder gel, and I got these in 2 separate orders, because this was the builder gel that I got first, because the first time I ordered I didn't see the one in the bottle, so I got this one first, and then I went back and ordered again and ordered the one in the bottle. But that's their builder gel. And then I got some of this cuticle oil pen, I should say. And you'll see me open it up here. And I don't even remember what scent it was, and I don't think it says on there what scent. I thought I ordered strawberry. So I think that's what, it's either strawberry or peach. But I didn't really get a whole lot of scent from it, so. But the oil was pretty nice. And I like that it was, you know, they had all the ingredients on there I'm about to show you. And they're all pretty good ingredients, so I was happy with that. And grapeseed oil is the first ingredient, which is pretty cool. So there's that. And then what else what I got coming up here? Oh, I did get some buffers. I wanted to try these buffers, so I just got some of those. And then I got some files, the 100-180 grit file, and they came 10 in a pack, and those weren't that expensive either. I don't remember what the price was, but it wasn't that much. So I got 10 of those. And then I got some nail forms. I'm looking for some really good forms, so I was like, let me try these. These weren't expensive either. There's 100 of them in that pack right there, so I got that 100. And then just this little glitter pot, which I thought was cute. I like the little container that it's in. It's pretty cool. So I got that. And please excuse my loud child in the background. Oh, my child. And then I got some of their Polygel. I'm so excited to try this. I've been looking forward to getting this ready to try it. I've seen a lot of good reviews from it, about it. So I really wanted to try it. So I'm gonna try it for you guys. So stick through to the end so you can see the result. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna start out using the clear. And I just used one of my Polygel brushes that I already had and some alcohol in my little dapping dish. And remember the tip, do not use any alcohol for your slip solution that's below 70%, because it would be almost like using water and your Polygel would be sticky and gross. So make sure you use 70% alcohol or above. Now this Polygel is awesome. Let me tell you guys. Any other Polygel that I've used, once your brush starts to dry out, the Polygel gets really sticky. But this stuff, the brush was getting dry and it didn't stick to the brush. There was no like drag in the Polygel. I mean, it was just awesome to work with. Like, it's so nice and soft. And like I said, you don't have that, there was like no stickiness until the brush got like really dry. But you don't need a lot of alcohol on it to use it. I mean, you just wet your brush and wipe it off on the paper towel a little bit and then, you know, go to town on it. But I really like this Polygel. I'm gonna have to order some more because it's really good. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me do these two nails, and then I will come back after I have cured them. And I do cure them for 60 seconds in my my LED lamp. Alright guys, so I have cured them now for 60 seconds and I'm just going to go in and clean them up with this alcohol wipe so you can see what they look like. And yeah, like I said before, this polygel is awesome. I'm going to have to go back and get some more, and I really like that pink color. That I think was my favorite of the two, but I really like this polygel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I really appreciate you guys. And here I'm just showing you guys a close-up of what they look like. This gets 2 thumbs up from me, definitely. I would say this is a very good option, especially for beginners. Like I said, it's inexpensive. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.